I'm really hoping that this cup of tea is going to sort me out, because honestly guys, it is 2 o'clock today and I have just felt in one of those mere moods all day, struggling to get motivated, just struggling to work and like focus. Do you know what I think it is? I think it's the weather. I feel like when the weather is consistently rainy, miserable, dark and grim, like daily, it really impacts my mood. Does anyone else relate? And I feel like more so when you work at home, you have to be self-motivated, right? Like it can be hard. But anyway, I've shoved a nice fresh gym set on, I've made myself a cuppa, and I'm finally going to get around to sharing and showing you some bits I picked up from Homesense the other week. So if you like watch my videos on the regular, you will know I uploaded a come shop with me to Homesense Nottingham store. I think it was like last week now, and I did mention and promise there would be a follow-up haul, and that is what I'm going to be delivering you guys today. I don't know if it's that light and it's so bright and it's so dark outside or what, but I'm feeling like I can't keep my eyes open. I think that's what I'm trying to get at. But anyway, let's try and get on. I'm not going to make this intro long and rambling like I usually do. So yeah, anyway guys, if you want to stick around and see what I picked up from Homesense, then please continue watching. Okay, before we get into this haul, one thing I am just going to say is if you can hear any like heavy background noise, it is the rain outside. It is absolutely hammering it down. I think it might even be hailing, so yeah, excuse that. Okay, right, let's get into the bag of goods. I do have a few things that just popped on the floor as well because I didn't fit in a bag. But yeah, let's go. So I'm going to start with foodie bits first. First thing I picked up from Homesense was some pasta. You guys know I absolutely love pasta. If I could eat pasta every single day, which I mean I could, but I probably would. No, would I get bored? Absolutely not. I love pasta, guys. I probably do have pasta, I would say twice a week. It's one of my favourite meals, and I come across this funky pasta in Homesense and just thought I had to pick some up. I just love how big the sort of like bows are, and there's some different colours in there. And this was, how much was new? Oh, I'm shocked, there's no price. I think these are like £2.99, so not like cheap. I know you can get like a big bag of pasta for like £1 in Asda, but yeah, I just thought it looked a little bit more posh. And if you're throwing like a nice dinner party or something, it'd be nice to like use some different coloured pasta. So yeah, anyway, not that I'm going to throw a dinner party, but I thought I'd get this. Okay, and then next up I simply just picked up a hazelnut syrup for coffee. This is what it looks like. This was £3.99, which I don't think is bad value at all for how much you get. You get 750ml. These are the sugar-free syrups, which I've never tried. I did ask on Instagram once upon a time about your guys' opinions on sugar-free syrups. Some of you say you love them and you can't taste the difference. Some of you disagree and just said that they don't really taste of a lot and they're not that great. But I'm going to try this and I'll get back to you. The reason why I got a hazelnut one is because whenever me and Mitchell go Starbucks, we always get, well, I mean, I don't always get it, but it's his go-to drink, a white chocolate frappuccino with hazelnut syrup, nut milk, like mocha sauce. I think that's about it. And it's basically like a Kinder Bueno drink. And obviously whenever I make like my fancy like coffees or iced coffees at my house, Mitchell doesn't drink that because he doesn't drink coffee. And I didn't ever have a hazelnut syrup to make him his like white hazelnut frappuccino. So I just thought I'd pick some up and try and make one at home. I'll see how it goes and I'll let you know my review on these sort of like sugar-free ones. But yeah, Homesense do so many syrups. Okay, next up, this was pretty random, but I just thought I'd get these to try. So I absolutely love coconut. Like, I love coconut scents, and I also love coconut flavoured food, especially coconut biscuits. So I come across these. They sort of look like Viennese biscuits. They're like them buttery Viennese biscuits, but they're actually coconut ones. So they're called biscotti al coco. I don't know if that's like Italian. I feel like that might be. Yeah, product of Italy. Aren't I great at languages? I'm not really. I'm okay. Anyway, these were only £1.49, guys, and I just thought I'd pick these up to try. Absolutely love that Homesense has obviously different brands in their food department from all around the world. It just means that you can try things that you don't get in the supermarket. So yeah, got those. Okay, and then next up from the food department, I also just picked up 2 balsamic glazes. So I actually picked up one from M&S the other day, which I didn't need. I completely forgot I bought 2 of these when I went to Homesense, but it's all good because these are different flavours. So again, they do tons of these in the food department, but just know that there are some more affordable ones, because a lot of the ones I was picking up initially were like £3.99, some were even £5. I was like, I don't mind getting it, but it is a lot for a glaze. I mean, I know they last quite a while, don't they, in the cupboard? But these ones were only £1.99 that I came across. So the brand is La Dolce Vita Italian Food. I think that's the brand. And this is the raspberry glaze. That was £1.99. And then I also got the fig glaze too, which sounds delicious. They did so many different flavours in this balsamic glaze, so I definitely recommend having a look at these if you're into salads, because I don't know about you, but I just cannot have a dry salad. I mean, drenching it in loads and loads of salad dressing is not always the one, because the whole concept of a salad is for it to be healthy, but I always feel like balsamic glazes are quite low in calorie anyway, so anyway, got those. Okay, and then next in the food department, I picked up this sort of like bacon mix, like cake mix from the Skinny Food Co. Pretty sure you guys may be familiar with the Skinny Food Co. if you shop in B&M. They're quite popular for a lot of their like 0-calorie sauces. I think I've got a maple syrup one. They do so many different flavors like chocolate, white chocolate, but I didn't realize that they do these sort of like cake mixes. So this is a low sugar chocolate chip flavored flapjack one. So yeah, they're 100 calories per flapjack. I think they're just supposed to be like low sugar, healthier bacon mixes. So yeah, picked this up. It was $3.99, so not the cheapest, but I think it retails at $4.99. So just thought I'd get that for if I want to do like any bacon on the weekends, and obviously it be like a little bit healthier. Okay, now we move on to what I always go in Homesense for, one of my favourite places ever to look at, and you guys probably know already what it is. It is the candle section. So I was in desperate need to pick up some more candles, because obviously been stuck in lockdown. Shops have been shut, and obviously Homesense is like my go-to for candles, just because they're so reasonably priced in there. You can get the big huge ones for like £12–15. So yeah, did a little candle dash, and I must say Homesense Nottingham was absolutely killing it with the candles. There was so many, in particular quite a lot of like Easter ones. Clearly they must have had so many on order and didn't sell them. They also had like Valentine's ones, but they did just have like loads of random like nice scents too. Not that the Easter and Valentine's ones weren't nice scents, I'm just saying they did have loads of them. So when it comes to the candle department in Homesense, my two favourite go-to brands are normally DW Home and Sand & Fog. They are just like, oh, my favourite. I just feel like they burn really well, they smell really good, I'm not sensitive to them. I can be a little bit like sensitive to candles. You obviously do have to watch what ones you're burning. But yeah, them two brands are my favourite. And they have loads of DW Home. Not so much Sand & Fog, but loads of DW Home. The one that I normally have, which is unreal, is vanilla. Oh my god, I'm going to have to find it and tell you guys, because it's so good. And if you ever see it, 1 second. Guys, I've actually chucked it away, but it's like a vanilla one. I can't think of what the name is, but anyway, it's just like a straight vanilla one, like a real deep vanilla one, and it's so good. Anyway, they didn't have that one, but they did have this one in, which I've never seen, and it's called Vanilla Coconut. Oh my goodness, this is so heavy. So this was only £12.99, and as you can see, like it's massive, like that's compared to my head. Oh, this smells, oh, insane. So you've got that vanilla scent, but then because you've got the coconut as well, it almost gives you that sort of like tropical summer holiday vibe, which I feel like we all need right now. And yeah, this is just divine. I cannot wait to burn that. I'm actually going to burn that after this haul. Let me grab the other one. Oh, I did actually pick up a Sand & Fog one. This is the white cotton, so I have actually had this one before. I remember getting this now. I was just thinking, I didn't realise that I picked up a Sand & Fog. But yeah, I spotted this last minute, and I did pick up this one, I feel like before Christmas. Burnt it so fast because it was absolutely amazing. Let me just open it up and smell it, just to remind myself. Oh my goodness. So white cotton for me is definitely one of those scents that's like fresh laundry, fresh washing, just like a real fresh, clean smell. It's not like too overpowering, but yeah, I feel like when you burn this in your house, people are going to come in and think, oh my god, like it just smells so fresh and clean and just amazing. It's just a really nice, clean scent. So yeah, I love that. And then finally, I just picked up a smaller candle, and this is called Brûlée. Again, it's by DW Home. I do have the vanilla one of this in my bathroom. This is supposed to be heavy cream, vanilla bean with nutmeg and brown sugar. Oh my god, that smells divine again. As you can probably see, my go-to scents when it comes to candles are definitely more the sort of like sweet vanilla, sort of like almond, coconut, them kind of scents. I do like fruity ones if they're right, but yeah, I definitely am more of like a sweet sort of like birthday cake, vanilla, coconut kind of person when it comes to candles. And then I do really like sort of like male aftershave ones as well, like the quite rich and deep ones. Sorry, I'm going on such a candle tangent, but those are the ones I picked up, and this one was $5.99. Okay, on to the next couple of things I picked up from Homesense. So I just simply picked up some more cat bowls. I think I mentioned this in my Come Shop With Me, but Honestly guys, the other night I got into bed and all of a sudden I had this massive crash and I was like, oh my god, what is that? Is someone in my house? But obviously because I'm on my own, I was like, I'm too scared to even move. And then I noticed the cats weren't in my room, so I was like, do you know what? It just must be the cats. Like something sounds like it's fell off. Anyway, got up in the morning and they had managed to smash one of their bowls. You guys again might know, but I do keep one of the cat's bowls on the worktop because the thing is, if I put them both on the floor next to each other, I can never monitor what cat is eating what because they both fit in and out of each other's bowls. So yeah, I normally put Boo's on the top, Woody's on the bottom. And Boo had somehow knocked her bowl off and it had smashed. So I had to get them 2 new ones because I like them to match. These were $3.99 each. She had so many nice cat bowls and also like dog bowls and stuff as well. So definitely check Homesense out for those. Okay, then moving on to a few like kitchen things I needed. First thing I picked up that I was in desperate need of was an ice cream scoop. So I know this is really random, but it's not even just for scooping ice cream. I wanted this because whenever it comes to making cookies, I noticed that especially in all the American recipes, they use like one of these ice cream scoops to like scoop the cookie mixture and get an even ball on their tray. So yeah, I really wanted one of them for that reason. And you want to make sure that if you do buy it for that purpose, you get the ones where you can like press so it releases it out, so you haven't got to like get it all out of the ice cream scoop, if that makes sense. So yeah, this is $3.99, so I didn't think that was too badly priced, so I grabbed one of those. Then the next thing I picked up was a new induction pan. Now if anyone has an induction hob, obviously you know you have to buy special pans. I made the mistake when I moved that I bought all like just normal pans and then none of them worked on my cooker. Thought something was obviously wrong with it, but no. So anyway, I picked up this Tefal Start Easy induction, and it's for all hobs as well, highly non-stick surface pan. So when it comes to pans, my mum is like the best at advising what pans to get because I don't really have a clue what the difference is between pans, if I'm very honest. So mum was like going around all the pans and was like, no, this is the one, this is the ultimate one that you need. And I was like, well, why is that? And basically she was saying that the heavier the pan, like the better it is, like the more sturdy it is, the more like long lasting and well made it is. So yeah, this is definitely a heavy pan. This was $16.99, but it should have been £30. So I didn't think that was too bad for a Tefal. I think they say Tefal, it is Tefal. So yeah, I didn't think that was too bad for a Tefal pan because obviously it is quite a well-known brand. Okay, and then sticking to kitchen things, guys. I got sucked in and bought this dinner set. So again, if you watched my come shop with me, you would have saw that I've shown you this cute dinner set. And when I was in there, I was like, oh my god, that is just so pretty. I just think it's quite like, I don't know, it's just a little bit different and quite girly, and I just really liked it. And I've only got one dinner set, which is my white, like sort of beaded edge one, and I absolutely love that. But I paid quite a lot of money for it. It wasn't cheap. It was way over like £100, and I've not even got like all of the bowls to go with it too. So when I saw this one and saw just how like affordable it was, I thought that would just be really nice for like a second dinner set. So first of all, I got the bowls. So let me just try and show you what it looks like in the light. It's like iridescent, is that what it's called? Just like a really nice shine of all these different colours. Just really like how the bowls look on the outside as well. It's like opaque here and then like obviously shiny in the bowl. So yeah, the bowls were only $1.99. They're really nice bowl size as well. And then I obviously got the side plates too, which were only $1.99. And then obviously just the main dinner plates, which were $2.99. So I ended up getting 6 plates, 6 side plates, and 6 bowls. I'm always like a bit unsure of how many to buy when you're buying a dinner set, because obviously there is only me, but then like I always think to myself, if I invite my mum and dad round for dinner, if I have Mitchell there, and then I have my brother's girlfriend as well, that then becomes like 6. So I feel like 6 is always quite a good number. But yeah, it's quite a hard one. I can imagine if you've got a big family as well, it's especially hard buying dinner sets, because I bet you feel like you have to buy like, let's say you're a family of 10, you've got to buy 10. Especially if you're like me, you like to have matching everything. Like I hate not having a matching dinner set out. Like for example, Christmas Day, or like if you're throwing a dinner party and then you've got like 10 people coming over, but you've got different dinner sets. I mean, I know it's not always feasible to have a matching dinner set for that many people, but it does kind of bug me. So yeah, I ended up getting 6. I think all in all it was like, let's say £50 for the whole set for 6, which I don't think is bad, considering I paid like honestly, it must be like £140, £150 for my dinner set, and that's not even the whole dinner set. I don't think that was too bad for a second dinner set. Okay, next thing I picked up, I've purposely held off opening this because obviously I wanted to show you guys, but I'm so excited to use this tonight. And it is a facial stimulator. So this is what it looks like. Again, I did mention this in my come shot with me. But if you didn't watch that, this is basically a vibrated facial stimulator. So as you can see, you hold it here, and then on the end it just has like, I don't know, let's call it a plate, and you just sort of like push it around your face. It's really supposed to like help the collagen flow. It's just supposed to like almost like iron out your wrinkles. Let's read what it says here. Refreshes and rejuvenates the skin, diminishes the appearance of wrinkles, helps to reduce the appearance of under eye bags. Yeah, I saw Hailey Bieber use one of these in her skincare routine videos, and honestly her skin always looks flawless and amazing. And yeah, apparently she uses this every single night as part of her skincare routine with all her moisturisers and stuff. So if she uses it, then I'm having it. So I'll let you know how I get on with that. But for £10, I thought it'd be good to try it out. Okay, and then sticking to kitchen stuff, this actually needs a bit of a clean. But the next thing I picked up was this Homesense white sort of like ceramic tray. Let me just show you that in a little bit of a look close, if you can see. But essentially all it is like a serving tray. So I don't actually have a big serving tray, and obviously now that like lockdown's lifted and hopefully we can start having family around and like, you know, having a few parties and things, I just thought that if I ever do throw like a family party and want to put food on, I would just have like a really big tray that I could put out and like do buffet bits on and stuff. I just think it's really nice to have something like this. You know, if you did like a grazing board, you could use this and put like a load of meats and stuff on it. I just thought it would come in really handy, and for £9.99 I thought that was a really good price too, because honestly it's like such good quality. But yeah, that's the next thing I picked up. Okay, and then moving on to the last couple of things I picked up from Homesense. Sorry that it was quite short and sweet. I thought I had actually picked up some skincare stuff, but I didn't. So I might have to go back and get some of that, because I actually was like looking at it thinking, I'm gonna get this. I must have put it down. Anyway, next up, I picked up some more hydrangeas. So again, if you follow me on my Instagram and my home account, you will know that in my kitchen I have like a big vase with hydrangeas in. So this is the thing, now it's coming to summer, I just thought it'd be really nice to mix some white ones up and have some pink ones, because I've had the white ones in there for ages, and it's just sometimes nice to add a bit of colour, you know, to the house. So I thought I'd get these hydrangeas. They are £3.99 each. I've just got 4 bunches, so 4 stems, sorry. And I feel like together they do look quite a big bunch. I'm not necessarily going to put it in this vase, it's quite big. I picked up this vase separately, but I wanted to show you this anyway. So yeah, they're my hydrangeas. By the way, I did so many different colours of these. Again, if you haven't watched my Come Shop With Me, check it out and you'll see all the different colours that they have in the Homesense Nottingham store at the moment. But yeah, and next thing I picked up was this Homesense just clear vase. Now it actually needs a bit of a clean. I have had it on my worktop, and yeah, it's got a little bit dirty with the cooking. But this was only, guys, £9.99 for this massive vase, and I really just like simple plain statement vases. So just a simple glass vase, but I feel like with it being just like such a big size, it's quite like a rounded size as well, I feel like it makes quite a statement. This would look lovely in the centerpiece of a table, again like on a kitchen countertop. And if I'm honest, I don't really have that many vases. I've smashed quite a few lately, so just thought I'd grab another one, because you know, if I get fresh flowers and stuff, I've always got like one spare. So yeah, I thought I'd get this big one for £9.99. And yeah, that is everything I've got from Homesense, guys. I feel like there's something else. You know when you always feel like there was something else that you needed to show that you might have put away, but I pretty much think that is it. So anyway, really hope you have enjoyed this Homesense haul. Let me know if you have, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe if you're new here, and yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. I shall see you all in my next video. Bye bye.